Alrighty, repertoire time, page 255, Scherzo in F major. Piece of cake, right? Okay, maybe not quite that fast, but I'm going to show you how to get those fingers moving fluidly. Here we go. So let's analyze first. The very beginning, because that's where we always start with a piece, right? Very beginning. A very good place to start. Okay. We have to be a little analytical here at the beginning. You'll notice that the first measure is just F chords broken up, or even arpeggiated. So look at this here. With the pickup to the first measure, use a thumb. Then we have a 2 on the F for the downbeat. Now, in the second beat, there's a 4 over A. F major, second inversion. Then, to finish out that motive into the next measure, it's a root inversion chord with root inversion fingerings. 1, 3, 5. So get that into you. It's a scherzo, we can have a sense of humor. Okay. Back and forth, make sure you got it. Okay, that should have been piano level 1, but we all use a good review. And then, measure 2, F pentascale coming down. Not the same key, but... And then all we got to do is bring a 2 over at the bottom of that into the next measure here. 2 notes up, and then 4, 2, 1, C major chord. You could block that for practice. Now watch this. Block it. Release the 2, 4. Just release. Don't fly them away. Hold the thumb. Now move the 2, 4 over the next set of notes. And then release the thumb. So the thumb acts as like a little pivot crutch. And you could do back and forth that way. And so forth. Okay, so we have second inversion F chord, root, F chord, F pentascale, 2 over for 2 notes, and then C chord, move the 4, 2, hold the thumb, and resolve. So. Measure 5, almost the same thing. Okay, second inversion F chord, then root inversion F chord, F pentascale. Measure 7, we don't bring the 2 over. We stay within the pentascale. It's a slightly different resolve here. Then, halfway through, we're done with the F pentascale. Just bring the 3 over. You have to learn note for note. So there you have it. And then you have the whole first line there. Then you could start working it up slowly, but I'll show you another technique for that. This could be a little difficult. But we'll work on that. Okay, but let's get that left hand in there. Notice the right hand is in treble clef. So make sure that you're reading it properly. It's up here, F chord. Then, next measure, F chord. Next measure, implied 5 chord, and then 1 with do, so, do. So. So it's just 1, 5, 1. Okay, not as simple as it looks when you start adding it together, but you could at least go nice and slow note for note eventually. And just block left hand. And you see, I'm not really playing all the left-hand notes yet, but we're just getting them in the correct places, and we're starting to add motion with one hand. And that's the first step here. So practice that, and we'll move on to the next part in the next